Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Monday, October the 10th, 2022. We have here in this puzzle page a one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku, and we have in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And our last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. But also this medium Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, let me show you. Yes, Max Verstappen is the world champion in, as you know, Formula One. Yeah, second time. We are proud as Dutch citizen. Yes. He's a Dutchman. All right. Sudoku Medium, and this will be number 5305. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle, and for a 2 stars puzzle, my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really a 2 stars. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 167. 6, 7, and 4. Okay. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in that box. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay, so let me see for other digits. I can continue to 2, 7, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 8. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. So the 2, 5, and the 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this row. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left for the number 2. Height. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. 9. 9. Okay. 5. Yeah. 1. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in the last row, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 5, 1, 9, 5 in this last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 it should be there. 7 and 3. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 4, 6, 7. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in these this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this column for number 6. 2, 4, 6, yes. 1 digit left in this big square for numbers. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3, okay. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6 and 7. Now we have a 6 here in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the middle row for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 1, 1, 1. 7 and 1, 7, 1, 7, 1. Okay. 4, 4. 9, 9. 8, 8. 3, 3. Still thinking. I'm thinking. 7. Alright. 3, 3. We have a pair. We have a 3 and a 4 in the third column. 3 and a 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. But we have also a 3 and a 4 in the second row. So no 3 and 4 in this box. The 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. So now 6, 7, and 2. 3 missing numbers. Oh, wait. Yeah. We have a 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, and look, we have 5 and 8 in this column, so no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, so 1 digit left in this row for the number 4. Alright. 9, 1, and 5. We have a pair. The 5 and a 9 in this column. The 5 and a 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Right. So we have a 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see here 9 in the first row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is the number 7. Need a 7 in the middle column. We see here 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left. Oh wait, 2 to 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 to 4, well, we have a 3 now in the third row. So no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. How about the 9 then? And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. How about the number 3 then? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Okay. Two numbers left in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And all the 7s are used. No, not used. Not used. Two numbers left. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. The 2 in the first row, the 2 in the second row. From the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, the 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 now in the second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again later on with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.